Hi, I'm Kirsty Cullen, registered nutritional therapist at the Optimum Health Clinic. And in this video, I'm going to share how you can access health benefits whilst taking a bath. Now, it can be lovely to prioritise some me time with a bath. So why not maximise the benefits of your bath by adding some Epsom salts? Now, Epsom salts are essentially magnesium sulfate, which combines two nutrients which are health and well-being powerhouses. Magnesium is a VIP in energy production terms and also involved in over 300 enzyme reactions in the body and key for hormone balance, brain and muscle health. In fact, low magnesium levels are often associated with muscle cramping, restless leg syndrome, insomnia, nausea, and low mood. The second VIP nutrient in excellent Epsom salts is sulfur. Sulfur is needed to make glutathione, which is one of the body's most important antioxidants. And sulfur deficiency is often associated with allergies, irritable bowel syndrome, migraines, and depression. Now, some people find themselves rather sensitive to sulfur-rich foods such as broccoli, onion, garlic, and eggs, leaving them somewhat restricted on dietary sulfur intake. And this is where bathing in Epsom salts can offer a fantastic alternative way to access sulfur. In fact, general research suggests that just 15 minutes in a 1% Epsom salt bath can result in measurable increases in blood levels of both magnesium and sulfur as we absorb them through the skin transdermally. So, how to create your 1% bathing solution? Simply add 2 cups of Epsom salts, which is around 600 grams, to a standard UK bath of around 15 gallons. Highly sensitive individuals may want to build up more slowly in 50-gram increments or at a pace that suits you. Stay in the bath for 15 to 20 minutes at a comfortable temperature and a maximum of 3 Epsom salt baths per week. Now, ideally finish your bath at least 30 minutes before bed to allow your body temperature to regulate prior to sleep. And for those without a bath or those unable to use a bath, you can also add your Epsom salts into a foot bath. And you can add a couple of drops of lavender essential oil for extra relaxation. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, do follow us at the Optimum Health Clinic.